Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is Man from South. If you like hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this very one, then chances are you're gonna love it right here. Please do press subscribe right now. I am all about little tweaks, little things that we can do to make big changes and big differences in our hair care, in our skin care, in our general day-to-day grooming. And throughout the years of really more experimenting on YouTube, which has been almost 8 years now, I have found things, tiny little things, which have made such a big difference to how I feel with my skin. It feeling more comfortable, it looking brighter, it being clearer from spots. And I want to share some of those tips in this. These are 5 things that everyone can do. Also, there's products down here that are not going to cost the earth. So you can scale it up and go more premium, or you can have stuff which is really, really budget friendly. Now, before I get into these top tips, this video has been sponsored by Wild. Now, Wild is a brand new deodorant. Now, this is a natural deodorant, which is aluminium and it's paraben free, and it actually works. It's a deodorant, it's not an antiperspirant, so it's not gonna clog your pores. Now, there's so much that's great about Wild. One is that it's sustainable. I think at a time where we need to be thinking about the choices that we make, things like this really do make a difference. This is an aluminium case, which means you hold on to this, you keep it, and when you finish with your deodorant cartridge, you just buy another one or you get it on subscription and you pop it into this case. This is designed to last a lifetime, so you're not going to use it and then chuck it. And the cartridges that you get, they come in different scents. The one that I've got in here is citrus, but there's also a cotton one, there's a sea salt one, and there's also one which is coconut. There are a few different ones, but it will all be linked down below. But these cartridges are made from bamboo pulp and they're 100% biodegradable. So it means when you finish this, you can just put it off into your compost bin and it is done. Also, sometimes with the sort of sustainability messaging and a lot of products, it means you kind of got to sacrifice on style. But you do get to pick different colors. So if that's something that you want, you can do that. And also, as I said, there are different scents. So there is something to suit everyone. I do have a discount code. I've got a discount code of MFH. It is on screen now. It's also linked down below in the description, and that is going to get you 20% off your order. And you can have a one-off order, which you just buy and it arrives in one of these boxes, or you can subscribe. And when you subscribe, you're going to get those refills sent to you in the post, and you're also going to get some subscriber perks. Right, on to the top tips. The first one that I've got is the most simple, and this is around cleansers. Now, a cleanser is what you use to wash your face. We should all be using a cleanser in the morning, and we should be using a cleanser at night. Now, not all cleansers are created equally. And the one key thing that I'm gonna say, which might be a bit controversial, is that a lot of these sort of men's brands, the ones that say, for men, wash your face, for men, cleanest face, for men, are sometimes quite stripping of the skin. I think as men, hello if you're a woman, you are very welcome here, we kind of want to feel like our faces are clean. But when something is squeaky clean, when something is tight, and when your skin feels stripped, it is not good for it. Reprogram your brain to know that when your face feels tight, this is not good. You want a light cleanser. A cleanser that is going to clean and not strip. So if you're thinking, yeah, that's me, do you know what? The thing that I use is stripping, it's tightening. Stop using that and get something else. I will link products down below. Also, all products are manfromself.com. Some of my favorites are there. But some brands like Bulldog Skincare, I talk about a lot. You can get ones for sensitive skin. You can get ones for oily skin. Also, a brand Simple. Simple, again, is not gonna strip anything out of your skin. It is gonna keep it simple. There you go. But just think about how your skin is feeling. Cleanse, yes, but don't strip. The second one, and this again goes in that cleansing, this is an extra product to add in at night, and this is a cleansing oil. Now, I have been double cleansing for 5 years. Let's say 5 years. This is when you firstly use a little bit of a cleansing oil. I've got one here by Le Labo, but I've also used one by DHC, which is really very cheap. There's another one by Elizabeth Arden that I really like. Just a couple of pumps on this onto your hands and get into your dry skin. It's dry. You're going to start to massage it in, and that's going to break down the dirt on the skin. Also, it's going to break down the SPF. You should be wearing an SPF. We'll talk about that in a minute. It's going to break it down, and then you can then move on to your cleanser. Just wash it slightly, damp your face, get that cleanser in, and get it all off. This is the thing for me that has probably changed my skin the most, is that double cleanse. You only need to do it at night. You don't need to do it in the morning. Oil on, then cleanse as usual. The next one, I think that will make a big difference to your skin is the SPF. Now, an SPF should be the final thing that you put onto your skin. SPFs aren't just for summer holiday times when you're out and about and you're having a great time and you're lying out and you're sunbathing. No, SPFs are a day-to-day thing that you should be using all the time. It's going to protect against UVA and UVB. UVA is really the aging. It's what the sun does, and it kind of changes the cells in the skin, which in extreme cases are cancer causing. There's also UVB, which is really the stuff that does the burning. So you are looking for a broad spectrum SPF, broad spectrum UVA and UVB. This doesn't have to be anything, and it shouldn't be anything heavy. It shouldn't cause a white cast on the skin. It shouldn't feel like it's suffocating your skin. Your skin should still feel like it's able to breathe. Your skin shouldn't feel greasy. It shouldn't feel oily. Again, I will link some of my favorite products there, but SPFs, invest in it. This is really, you're investing in the future of your skin. This is the best thing to kind of be anti-aging. And because anti-aging, really not a thing, is it? But it should help. Like these ones here are super expensive. Would I recommend this? I love this. I was gifted this. This is Dr. Barbara Sturm. A couple of drops of this into my usual moisturizer. But there are other brands where you just get a bit of that SPF, and I would just say mix it in with your moisturizer. Just 1 or 2 drops, mix it in onto the face, down onto the neck, up, onto the ears, and you are done. That is 3. The fourth one is again another very simple addition, and this is to add a serum into your morning routine. Now, a serum is, let me show you one. A serum is like a shot. It's a shot of something which is going to either target a skin concern or help out with something. This one is by Disciple. This is vitamin C gel, triple C gel. Vitamin C is great for brightening your skin. Brightening it, making it look like it's just a lot healthier. There's also other sorts of serums, like this one, Obagi. I worked with them on the blog. This one is good for fine lines and wrinkles. So you can kind of pick a targeted serum. This is gonna go after you cleanse, so you've washed your face, you then will probably use your serum, and then you will use your moisturizer. Yes, there are other steps you can be doing, like toning, but if you are just gonna do the cleansing, the serum, and the moisturizer, this goes into the center there. I will link some of my favorite serums, but this is really where you can start to tweak and tailor your skincare routine for your own personal skin. Another one, under eye cream. A lot of guys, especially when you start to get a little bit older, you do feel like the bags are really kind of hanging around here. You also might have some discolorization under the eyes. It might look a bit purple, sometimes a little bit black. You really want to get as much hydration in under there. And one of the best ways of doing this, I mean, sleep, that's one way. Water, just so you can flush that all out. But if you've tried that and you still kind of struggle, a little bit of under eye cream is perfect. This one is by the Inkey List. It's got caffeine in it. Just a couple of bits of this, dab it in with the ring finger here. That's the softest one for the pressure, around the orbital area, being really careful around the eyes. And that should just give you a really great boost. I will link some of my favorite ones. Under eye creams, like these are the ones we can get them for like £5, $5, all the way up. So again, get the best that you possibly can for your budget right there. But as I say, these are 5 tips that everyone can change, everyone can add into. Just see kind of what suits you and your skin. Also experiment. You might get to a point that things aren't quite right, and just tweak little things and see what works for you. But all the products I've mentioned, all the tips will be linked down below in the description. Also, do check out Wild Deodorant, 20% off with code MFH. But thank you again for watching. If you're still new to this, you've still not pressed subscribe, then please do hit subscribe right now. The button is there. So some more video suggestions down there. Head to the products pages there, and I'll give you some more videos in the cards up there. But until my next new video, bye-bye.